Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Here is a great opportunity to rent this multifaceted property that is approximately 7,200 square feet and sits on 1 acre of land with view of the Caribbean Sea and mountains in the gated community of Draxall, Vista Del Mar, and Jamaica's north coast. Situated in the hub for tourist destinations is the stunning 5 spacious bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, captivating architectured masterpiece designed for luxury, comfort, and convenience. The ground floor features 2 bedrooms with ensuite baths, powder room, home office, living, dining, spacious kitchen with granite countertops and hardwood cabinetry, and a back patio leading out to the backyard and pool deck. Upper level has 3 beds with ensuite baths, vaulted ceilings, walk-in closets, a huge back patio overlooking the pool. Additional features includes helpers quarters, 2 covered car garage, tastefully landscaped grounds with low maintenance plants and fruit trees. The property has 7,000 gallon reserve water, perimeter wired walls, and is wired to receive a generator. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is US $8,000 or Jamaican $1.2 million per month. To rent or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.